Lego Fanatics, welcome back. We're gonna put this together like this. We're gonna take this one and put it together like that. And we are building the base for the actual next car. Okay? Once I do that, then I need this over here for a minute. So I need this, 2 of these. 2 of these 1x2s, light gray, a red 2x6. Nope, 2 of them. Okay, I need 2 of those. And then I need 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and 2 of these. I think I have everything, so let's get to building. Alright, so I need this, and this goes on this, and this goes on like that. I like the detail on these, it's really neat because the way they've done this, you know, where they've put the shock absorbers and the brake system on the actual outside of the car. Okay, so now I need this, finalize it, and I need this one to go here like this. Yep, and I need one of these right here like that, and then put this over here like that. Okay, and this is gonna go like that. Okay, and you've got the way the car's going to connect. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. I need another one of those yellow connectors. There we go. So I'm going to do this again. Like this. This. I put this on here. Oh wait, no. Gotta put this on first. Right? So follow the directions. And then this goes here. This goes here. That goes like that. And this again is going to pop through here with the connector outwards. So you get the 2 connectors on the car. All right. Now, what we're gonna do is probably go to building. Oh, we're gonna put some detail in here. So, let's see where I am. Yeah, I think I'm good on time. So I need one of these tan flats. And 2 of these tan flats, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 of those slants. There's 1 more. Then I need 1 more. There it is. Alright, cool. 6 of those. Alright. Let's put this over here. We're going to bring this together like this. And we are going to put this here. Like that. This is going to come like this. And then these are going to sit right like this. Alright. Make sure they're going the right way. Like that. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away over here for a second. I need this. One of these. And one of these white. There it is. One of these. Okay. So I take this and put this on top of here, like that, and put this right there. I'm going to put this right here, and there you go. So more detail to it. See you in the